Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick video on the blow-off valve. I'm going to go to my buddy's shop that's helped me previously, and we're going to weld the tile on to the cold side of the charge pipe. So it's, again, not a long video, but we're going to talk a little bit about some of the processes that he goes through and getting the blow-off valve and the flange welded to the pipe, because, you know, people might want to see that stuff. So let's hop in the car and let's head over to the shop. For you guys that want to know, this is how the kit comes whenever you order it, and it's a legit tile. All right, so this one's from Real Street Performance, but black blow-off valve. We have the little gasket, clamp, and the barb. So we just positioned the blow-off valve in here, so it's going to sit just to the right of the pipe. My buddy just took it inside to go weld, so we're actually going to go see him weld up the flange. So this is where we decided to put the blow-off valve flange. This is on the cold pipe just before the throttle body. Now you'll notice Aaron hasn't cut the hole just yet, and the reason why is he says the additional material helps with heat dissipation and the edge doesn't get as hot, so you don't have to chase your bead. Now that he's done welding, he's going to go ahead and cut the hole and then grind it flush. Looking sick. And just like that, we have our tile blow-off valve. It's on, ready to rip, got it all hooked up, and so we are ready to get out of here. Man, I am kind of upset that I'm not gonna get the cool compress and surge noises, but the turbos will last longer, and that's all that matters. So last couple of things, got to button up the clamps and we are good to go. All right, so no more super loud compress and surge. Just nice, clean blow-off valve. All right guys, so we are back from Aaron's shop. He did a wonderful job getting the blow-off valve onto the car in a timely fashion. I think it only took him a couple minutes, which is really, really awesome. So let's take a look at what we got going on. So we went ahead and welded the flange onto the cold side of the intercooler pipe, which is going to be closest to the throttle body after the air is gone through the intercooler. Now the reason why you want this is you want the blow-off valve as close to the throttle plate as possible, so whenever it closes, it has a place to escape. Now what's interesting is he actually welded the flange onto the pipe first, then cut out the inside that you saw in the video previously, and it just makes for better welding, from what he said. So big little tip for you guys out there if you're going to be doing it yourself. I think it came out all right. We also tilted it downward because we have a lot of clearancing issues with the like a stock style hood. So to eliminate any kind of thing with the motor rocking back and forth under power, we went ahead and angled it down, and I think it looks good. So that is it for today. Hope you guys have a wonderful one. I am out. I hope you like it. Subscribe, thumbs up, do all that stuff. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.